But children, in this video, we will learn about bar charts. Bunny started spending a lot of money every month, due to which, by the end of the month, all his money would be over.
Let me start this new year by saving. Every month I will save some money.
Thinking this, Bunny started saving money every month. He would put the money saved in each month in a piggy bank and then write the amount saved in that month in such a table in a notebook. In no time, 6 months passed by.
Oh wow! I've been saving money for 6 months. Now I must have accumulated a lot of money.
Just then, Bhola came to his house. Bunny told him how he had been saving money every month for the past 6 months.
Oh wow, Bunny! This is a very good thing. So, do you now know in which month you saved the least money? No. How can I find that out, Bhola? You can find it easily by creating a bar chart, Bunny. Bar chart? What is that? Bar charts are a way of displaying information. Let me teach you how to make it.
Bhola drew a vertical line and a horizontal line like this on a paper. Then he wrote the names of the 6 months on the horizontal line in this way. Then, in order to determine the interval between the two numbers on the vertical line or the scale of the chart, he found the largest number in Bunny's table, 30. So, he wrote down the numbers from 1 to 30 equally spaced on the vertical line.
Bunny, can you look in your table and tell me how much money you saved in the month of January? 20 rupees.
Bhola now made a thin rectangle over the month of January whose length was going up to the number 20 written on the vertical line.
Look, Bunny, we have to make thin rectangles in this way on the horizontal line for the amount saved in each month, whose length will be the same as the amount saved in that month. And because these rectangles look like bars, hence we call this chart a bar chart. Oh wow, this is very interesting. Now I will make a rectangle with a height reaching number 18 in this way for the amount saved in February.
Bunny and Bhola together made rectangles in this way for all months.
Bunny, look, our bar chart is ready. Here, the height of each bar shows you the amount saved in that month. And as you can see, the bars in the bar chart are rectangles of exactly the same width, and the space between them is also equal. On the vertical line, I have written equally spaced numbers from 1 to 30 to show the amount you have saved. And on the horizontal line, I have written the names of the months. Now, can you tell me in which month you have saved the least amount of money? Absolutely, Bhola. Now it has become very easy. The month of May has the smallest rectangle, which means I saved the least money, 16 rupees, in the month of May. And look, the month of April has the longest rectangle. That means I save the most money, 30 rupees, in the month of April. Well done, Bunny. You learned very quickly. Now, just like this, you continue saving money so that by the end of the year, you can accumulate a lot of money.
Bunny promised Bhola that he would continue to save money. Children, in this video, we learned about bar charts. We'll learn more about it through some interesting examples. The exam is over and summer vacation is about to begin. But before that comes an important day, Result Day. Today, all the children have come to school to get their report cards.
Look, Raju, I got such good marks.
I too have got very good marks, Bablu.
Is that so? Why don't we make bar charts of our marks? That way, we will be able to compare our marks at a glance.
Raju and Bablu made bar charts of the marks they scored. Children, by looking at the bar chart of Raju and Bablu, can you tell which subjects have Raju and Bablu got the highest marks in? If you wish to, you may find the solution by stopping the video. The highest rectangle in Raju's bar chart is in mathematics. So, Raju has scored the highest marks as 19 marks. And the highest rectangle in Bablu's bar chart is in science. So, Bablu has the highest marks as 18 marks.
Look, Raju, I have got 5 marks more than you in this subject. And in this subject, you have got 5 marks more than me.
Children, can you tell us which subjects is Bablu talking about? If we look closely, in geography, Bablu has got 17 marks and Raju has got 12 marks. So, in geography, Bablu has got 5 marks more than Raju. And in English, Bablu has got 12 marks and Raju has got 17 marks. So, in English, Bablu got 5 marks less than Raju.
Look, Raju, your marks in this subject are the least among the marks we both got.
Children, can you tell in which subject has Raju got the least marks? The height of the rectangle made in science in Raju's bar chart is the smallest among all of the bars in Raju and Bablu's bar charts. Hence, the lowest of all marks, 10 marks, are scored by Raju in science.
Raju, I will help you in science from now on and you can help me in English. For now, let us go and enjoy our holidays.
Children, in this video we learned more about bar charts through some interesting examples.
Children, I think now you got some ideas related with our bar graphs. Bar graphs are more suitable in case of advertisement and election. Then, now we can consider the advertisement of Complan. What will happen? The bar of Complan will be greater than other drinks. In case of reading newspaper, now we can consider the advertisement of Malayalam Manorama. The bar of Malayalam Manorama will be greatest than other newspapers. Okay, now think yourself about the advertisement. Okay. Now we can discuss the page number 165. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? These are two bar graphs. We can see 1 June and 1st December. 1st June and 1st December. Then these show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius. That means we know that we are writing the temperature in degree Celsius. Then in 4 cities, that is Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer, on 2 different days. Which days? 1st June and 1st December. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer that we discussed. Find out from the bar chart. What can we see here? Here we can see Delhi and Delhi marked with a colored with a yellow color. Shimla with blue and Bangalore with green and Jaisalmer with orange. Now find out from the bar chart which city is the hottest on 1st June. So what can we say? We can say that here this is more Jaisalmer. So here Jaisalmer is more hottest. Then which city is the coldest on 1st December? So coldest. Okay. So what can we say? Here we can say that is Shimla. Okay. Here this is only 10 degree Celsius temperature is there for this Shimla. Then which city shows little change in temperature on the 2 days, 1st June and 1st December. So here we can say Bangalore. Here it is 28 degree 1st June and for this 1st December that will be 24 degree. So the difference between these 28 and 24 is only 4 degrees Celsius. But what about other countries? That is different. Okay, other cities are different. Clear for you? So here it is 33 but that became 23. 10 degrees Celsius less. Shimla 22 degree but in December it became 10 degree Celsius. Then 28, 24 only this much difference. Then 38 became 25 degree Celsius. So we can say these are the difference between the temperature of 1st June and 1st December of these given cities. 4 cities are here: Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Is it clear for you? Now one activity. On any one day, choose any 3 cities and record their temperature from the TV or newspaper. That you can do very clearly. Okay. Then you can draw the vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, as in our video. Then you have to mark here 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 15 like that way. So the marking system, we have to keep here equal distance from this to here, here to here, here to here and all places we have to keep their equal distance. Okay, you can take it as 1 centimeter now. Then here we can write 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree and such way. Then you can write the name of cities like this way. Okay. Then you collect it and do this. We can discuss in the live class. Clear for you? Now we can discuss the page number 166. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. At that time, there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So the rabbits began to multiply at a very fast rate. Imagine what they did to the crops. The table shows how rabbits grew every year. Then first, number of rabbits. Starting time 10. Then 1 year 18, then second year 32, then 58, 158. What will be here? You have to find out. Okay. Then after each year, the number of rabbits was a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year, double the number in the last year, 8 more than the number in the last year. Then more than double the number of rabbits in the last year. So we can say a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. It's not doubling, children. Okay, not directly, completely it's not doubling. A little less than double the number of rabbits. Clear? Then next one. At the end of year 6, the number of rabbits was close to. So fourth year it is 108. So next will be nearly 200. Okay, nearly 200. So next will be nearly 400. So we can write here 400. Okay. So 400 we can, not 600. It will not be 600 and it will not be 800 also. But after which year did the number of rabbits cross 1000? When it will be the, so we can say 6th year, that will be 400. So 7th year we can imagine that will not be 800 but that will be nearly 800. So we can say that is nearly 700 and something will be there. Okay, 708 or like that way. Then in case of 8th year, what will be the condition? More than 1000 will be there. So after which year did the number of rabbits cross 1000? So we can say now the year is 1780. So we got it here, it is 8th year. So 1780 plus 8 is equal to 1788. Okay, now this way we can calculate the number of rabbits. Okay, is it clear for you, children? I think you got some more ideas related with our bar graphs. Okay, thank you.